Alright, Ram guy. I'm not 100% certain what you want me to look into with Funko, because it's not like a short squeeze play or anything like that. It's just, there's a company I'm long on. It's uh, had a significant uptrend in the last year alone, especially this year. Um, Starting back in March, it really started hitting a peak and trending upward. I mean, it's been shorted a little bit, but not a lot. There's like 40 million shares in the company and like 4 million. So, I mean, it's a little under 10% that it's shorted. So, I mean, you could see a little pop here or there somewhere. But again, this is one like I'm long on personally. I like the company. I own Funko Pops. So it's more of a personal decision than anything. It's not like I think this is going to explode and be like the greatest, biggest fucking play I've ever made. It's just, this is an investment. This isn't, a trade. This is an investment. Um, so, I mean, yeah, you can just look at it year to date and you can see it's been doing very, very well. I mean, even though it's down $10 now, and it's been on a decline since June. It's what it is. Hasn't been a whole lot of new shit to really make, but I mean, they make everything. When they started out, they weren't shit. Like, I mean, they had like just the figures didn't do anything. It was just a big-headed fucking thing. And I mean, now they have Funko Pops for literally everything. Pretty much everything. There's a Funko Pop for. So the company overall is getting much better, and I don't see it declining back down to that $5 range ever. I think this is just going to be its new base for now, in between $15 and $20, and it'll steadily just continue to move up as the company grows and the company gets bigger and better, and it's just collectibles are, I don't know, it's a thing I'm into, hobby. And some of these things are really fucking expensive, like literally some of them. And then you got like 7-Eleven has exclusive ones that only they sell sometimes. And so down the road, I mean, especially 20 years from now or something like that, some of these Funko Pops are going to be fucking worth ridiculous money. It's going to be like Pokemon cards and shit, especially if they're still in the box. But yeah, roughly 40 million shares are outstanding. The market cap's not quite $1 billion, which I don't really trade in anything. And there's a difference between investing and trading. Trading is, like day trading, trying to make money in a stock with volatility, whatever. And then investing, which is long term. You're actually holding shares, maybe some long options, whatever the case may be. But that's really, there's not a whole lot to talk about. It's not like a short squeeze play or anything like that. Um, just a company that I like, that I'm invested in because I actually own Funko Pops, and it's been doing well over the last year. So it just made sense to, buy into it. I mean, it's right around the price it was when I initially got in back in March. So nothing major, but again, just it's a long-term investment, not a short-term trade. Uh, so I hope that answers any questions you had. I don't know if you're in Funko or still were just considering it, um, but yeah, it's not some sort of huge outstanding play that's gonna like make you a lot of money quick. It's just a long-term investment for me. So I hope that answers any questions since you said you wanted to see a Funko video. I don't know if you've invested in it yet or you're planning on it, but again, it is a personal investment of mine. It's, fundamentally, yeah, it makes sense looking at the chart, but again, it's just I own Funko Pop, so I typically tend to invest in companies that I buy their products and they're doing well just because, it just makes sense. So there's that for you on Funko.